everyone. My name is Bang Ngọc. I'm 9 years old. I am a student at Nhân High School. My favorite hobby is reading a book. This is my family. My family has 4 people. This is my mom. Her name is Tian. She is 35 years old. And she is an English teacher. This is my dad. His name is Hong. He is 36 years old. He is cheerful and brave. This is my younger sister. Her name is Nhi. She is 6 years old. And she is a student. And this is me. My best friend is Kanchi. She is 9 years old. And she is tall and brave. And beautiful. We draw together. My favorite teacher is Miss Tian. She teaches class very well. She is beautiful and brave. I like reading books. I also like dancing and singing. I usually draw after school. My favorite book is Thần Trong Đất Việt. It is about Trạng Nguyên Lê Tý. My favorite character is Shu because she is very beautiful. My favorite movie is Tom and Jerry. It is about a cat and a mouse. My favorite character is Jerry because it is very smart and clever. I have a dog. Its name is Kiki. It has big eyes, long tail, and short legs. I play and talk it every day. Last year I had a birthday party at home. We sing, dance, and open presents. I was very happy because I have many presents. My favorite celebrity is Nina. She is 12 years old. She is from Thailand. She can make many nice videos. Goodbye everyone. Thanks for your listening.